Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you a ChatGPT alternative for YouTube creators. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. So don't get me wrong, I love ChatGPT, but nowadays when I try to use it, it's always, in the majority of the cases, it doesn't work because of a lot of people are using it, and it's going to be a paid tool, so eventually we have to pay for it. But if you're looking for an alternative, a good ChatGPT alternative for YouTube creators is the YouTube AI coach in VidiQ. So if you do not know VidiQ is a YouTube analytics and optimization tool and keyword research tool that you can use as a Chrome extension, but it also has a separate tool page. So you can sign up for VidiQ using my link in the description below. You can try out for free. So first open up VidiQ, which you can do by going to app.vidiq.com. Then sign in into your account. Then click on the AI coach tab on the top here, and you will arrive at this AI coach page. And as you can see here, this AI coach works similarly to ChatGPT. So basically you can write prompts to it and it will give us great ideas. So as you can see, you can ask it to fix your YouTube video titles. You can ask it to write a script for a YouTube video about something. You can ask it for YouTube video ideas, or you can ask it to write an engaging description for a video you have already created. So let's say we want to come up with video ideas, so we can click on give me 5 video ideas about. So let's say we want to give us 5 video ideas about how AI can be used for YouTube creators. So click on send, and it will give us 5 video ideas. So first one is how AI can automate your YouTube channel and grow your audience, exploring benefits of AI-powered YouTube analytics, how AI can create YouTube thumbnails and video titles, use AI to automatically optimize your YouTube videos for SEO, and leveraging AI to create engaging YouTube videos quickly. So let's say we want like this one. Then we can ask it to write us an intro video script to a video titled how AI can create YouTube thumbnails and video titles. So click on send. And as you can see, it has written us a YouTube video script. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how AI can help you create YouTube thumbnails and titles and potentially get more viewers for your content, and yada yada yada. So as you can see, maybe ChatGPT is currently a little bit better, but this is also a tool that is being developed and it is specifically targeted for YouTube creators, and you can use it by signing up for VidiQ, link in the description below. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals, and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel.